Hey guys, my name is Varun and you're watching Tech Dilemma. So today we're going to unbox this MI Power Bank 3i. So let's unbox. So here is our power bank. Here's our power bank, MI Power Bank 3i, which looks like this. The packaging, you can see MI Power Bank 3i 20,000 mAh, and here you can see the details here. Uh, the box contains power bank, one USB cable, user manual, and its MRP is 21,999. So let's open this. I ordered it from the Big Billion Days sale and it cost me around 14,999. Sorry, 14,999. The packaging is very hard here, so you can look. Here is our power bank. Here is our cable. So the cable looks nice. This is a Type C cable, one side USB and one side Type C. And here is our power bank. So let's unbox. This is our 20,000 mAh power bank 3i. It comes with a 20,000 mAh battery and one USB Type C, one USB Type A, and two USB ports. And you can see it's look nice. The design is pretty cool. Here is the button to see how much battery is in it. You press and it will tell you how much battery. Looks like zero battery is in this power bank. And here they mentioned 20,000 mAh and how much power output this power bank gives. I will tell you. This power bank gives you 18 watt fast charging only, and it looks nice. So yes, it is. It is not charged. No, it comes with a 75% battery. You can see when I press the button, three lights are blinking. Yes, three lights are blinking when you press this button. It is a charging indicator, and 18 watt fast charging comes with this power bank, and you can charge this power bank also with 18 watt fast charging. So it is a good power bank with a nice budget, cost very low, and you can get your 20,000 mAh power bank also. So I recommend you because it is the most selling product also in Flipkart and Amazon, and it is a very good product. Many friends buy this, so you can buy this. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, press the like button and comment on this video. So it's bye.